Hello people, welcome back to the Login channel. Today in this video I will be showing you how you can call or text someone from Instagram. Now first of all, open the Instagram application on your mobile device. Tap open the app. You need to get logged in into your account by providing the proper account details of your username and password. As you can see, I have already logged in into my account and I'm already inside the home page of my Instagram. Now, to make a phone call or to text someone, you need to tap on the messenger icon, or let's say the icon on top of the right side. Tap on it. Now you will be directed to the message section where you will see the list of people that you have had conversation with. Now I'm going to tap open a certain conversation. Now here what you can do to send a message is type on the text field, then type in a message and tap on send. This way you will send a message to that person. If you want to call or if you want to video chat on Instagram, you need to tap on the camera icon on top of the right side. Tap on it. And with this, you can call or video chat with someone from Instagram. Hope this video was useful to you on how you can call someone on Instagram. Please like and subscribe the Login channel and do click on the bell icon for the notification and updates on videos. Thank you.